No lie, this gives like if you did the crochet method, like, but you didn't. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel. If you are new, hey girl, hey, I'm Sharon. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today, y'all, I'm excited because we're gonna be trying a new rendition of a Vpart wig. Okay, so today I have literally no leave out. I have no crochet method going on. It's just simply a Vpart wig. So let's get into it. Hey y'all, so today's wig was sent over from Unice. You already know this is what their packaging looks like. They gave inside obviously the wig, we're gonna get to that, but typical goodies, press-ons, wig caps, you know the things. So this is the wig. This is their EasiContour Vpart wig. I got it in the 20-inch length, and this Vpart has hair coming kind of like from the underside of the Vpart, and it has the contour in the back, so you could pull it taut and wear it in updos if you so choose. This low-key pulls very taut, like you could almost use it as a ponytail, but I'm gonna co-wash and I'll be back. Hey y'all, here's our girl after she has been co-washed and air dried. Not this little piece trying to have its moment. Girl, it's not about you. I'm trying to steal the show. Now, I'm excited to try this because as you can see, the hair is literally like coming from underneath. So like with other Vpart wigs, it does not have the hair like this. It kind of has the net at the part. Let me get a Vpart wig so I can show you. Okay, so with your typical Vpart wig, it looks like this. It has like the netting at the base. This one has no netting, it's just hair. I'm excited to try, but I do have a backup plan. I have my hair kind of braided for like the crochet no leave out method with the Vpart wigs, so we gonna see. I don't know what it is, I just feel so naked without a wig cap, like I need to have a wig cap. Is it just me? Okay, so you see, like I have my hair braided like this to kind of leave some hair just in case I gotta like tease my own hair, like I don't know, but I also have this like this so I could potentially do like a no leave out crochet method in case. Okay, let's get to it. Let's see what comes of this. So I have to cut this off. Okay, so new Vpart wig, and it has this kind of like contour situation for you to be able to do like updos. Love that. Really excited to try this because you know how much easier this would make life if this is really the vibes. Please. Okay. Oh, already nice and snug fitting. Like look at that, nice and snug. Okay, now let's see. Okay, so because I don't want to keep you here all day, I'm gonna voice this part over. This is when I had anchor braids, thinking that I could use the anchor braids to clip the combs in and it would look cute, but once doing that I felt like it didn't look as natural. So I was like, maybe I need to take one of the braids out and then see how that looks without my hair being pulled taut. So that's what I did on one side, and I was like, okay, that looks much better. So then I took the braids out on the other side and then kind of just twisted it and then put it back under the cap, popped the wig back on, and then clipped it with the hair kind of more free and not as pulled. And I feel like it looked more natural because I had something to kind of like be a buffer between the Vpart wig and my hair. So then I did a little bit of teasing. I fluffed the wig out, shook her out some to give her extra body, and then boom, that's it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. It looks really, really cute. This saves a lot of time. I also wanted to kind of throw it in a claw clip so you could see like what it looks like pull up with the kind of like contour thing in the back, and you could just tuck that junk right back into your wig like nothing ever happened. And this is what it gives. I think it's super cute. So yeah. Oh, not me leaving my prized possession open. Okay, so I'm done styling. I mean, I guess you could call it styling. It's not really like styling for real. I feel like for me, it was more so like a learning curve. I probably already said this, but I'll reiterate. I first had anchor braids, and I thought I was just gonna be able to clip the combs in into the anchor braids and then boom bang, tease it and be on my way. But that's not really how it worked out, especially for me, because for one, my hair texture, but for two, like I have always worn a middle part, so my middle part is a little bit smutted out. You know what I'm saying? Like I've been wearing a middle part for forever. I'm a middle part girl. Okay, so my middle part is a little bit smutted out. So for me, it just was a little bit more of a learning curve. And what I've learned, again, I've probably already said it, but I'll reiterate. What I've learned is that like when doing this like absolutely positively no leave out with this type of Vpart wig, for me, my hair being pulled taut does not look natural. Like it needs to kind of just be free a little bit for it to look natural. I had the braids in and I had to take the braids out. I did one side first just to make sure that like I was, you know, catching the vibe correctly, because I'm like, I think it'll probably look better if I didn't have a braid. So I took one side out and then I clipped it and it looked much better. So then I did the other side, and then that's where we ended up with absolutely no braid, just kind of like my hair twisted so it wouldn't be pulled taut, because like I said, my middle part is already smutted out. So when it's pulled taut, it looked like I don't got no hair for real. So yes, I like the way this looks. No lie, this gives like if you did the crochet method, like, but you didn't. Like, you get what I'm saying? So like if you like Vpart wigs and you get them and you do the no leave out crochet method, this is basically that without having to do the crochet. And then the contour that they have going on in the back, where you could kind of like pull it to make it nice and tight and really shape and mold to your head. That is an added bonus, because if you like to wear your wigs up into a claw clip or a ponytail or a bun or whatever, you could do that and it'll still look natural. Love that. You already know, I don't have to say about the texture. I love curly textures, kinky curly textures. Like I just love those kind of textures. The hair is beautiful. It's really, really soft. And it looks absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if I had said this, but I did end up just taking the elastic band off, just because like it does have the contour thing, so you don't, I ain't gonna say you don't need this, but I didn't need this, so I just kind of took it out. Vpart wigs already save you time, like that's what they're designed to do, but I feel like this is a super time saver. So if you like Vpart wigs and you do the no leave out crochet method, this is a wig to try, because you get that result without having to do the work. This style of wig would be so bomb in a kinky curly texture. I don't know if they have that texture or not, but if they do, then like that really is gonna be one for me to try, because I feel like that would really take it a step further in terms of like catfishing. Like please, you would really not be able to tell me anything. Let me know down in the comments if you have tried this wig, like this style of Vpart wig, or if you're interested in going to try. Like I'm just curious to know if you feel like it's something that you want to try, or you feel like, girl, I'll just stick with my same old Vpart wig. I'm just curious, so let me know down in the comments. So yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. Once again, thanks so much to Unice for sending me over this wig and collaborating with your girl on today's video. I truly appreciate it. If you are interested in the wig or the company, I will have all of the links to the wig and company in the description box for you to check it out. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you are not subscribed, and I will catch you in the next one. I hope you enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings. Bye.